Okay, so the left-handed limit can be written as, okay, we have the limit notation. X approaches a here. Fx equals L. Okay, this is the normal limit notation. To represent a left-hand limit, we add a minus sign on like a power, but a minus sign. Okay, so this means that fx as x approaches a from the left, So we're approaching a from the left. Now the right-hand limit is similar. It's limit as x approaches a, fx equals L equals something. If it's a right-hand limit, the a has a plus sign. Okay, so this means that fx as x approaches a, we're approaching a from the right. Okay, so from the right. This is from the left, from the right. Okay, so, and if the left-hand limit, equals L here, right-hand limit also equals L. Then limit x fx equals L. Okay, and it also exists. Alright, here's an example. So we have a function gx. It's the x-axis, the y-axis. Alright, and I have this very large circle, which the white circle, the not filled circle, represents that this point does not exist. The filled circle represents that this point exists. Alright, so use the graph to state what's limit x approaches 2 minus gx. Okay, so the minus sign means that it is approaching from the left. It's a left-handed limit. So where is 2? Well, 2 is here. Let's try approaching x from the left-hand side of 2, okay? If it's approaching 2 from the left-hand side, the function is approaching. Approaching what? It's approaching 3. So we write 3. Alright, what about limit as x approaches 2 plus? 2 plus, meaning from the right hand side. If we approach x from the right hand side here 2, the function here is approaching this value here, which is 1. So if gx is approaching 2 from the right hand side, we are approaching 1. Alright, so what is the limit as x approaches 2 in general? Okay, so from here, if the limit, left hand limit and the right hand limit is equal, then it exists and equals to the same value. But the left hand limit here and the left hand limit is not equal. 3 is not equal to 1. So this limit in general does not exist. Does not exist. Okay, so the next part is as x approaches 5. So let's try approaching 5 from the left hand side. Okay, 5 from the left hand side. Limit as x approaches 5 minus gx equals what? So if we approach 5 here from the left hand side, okay, we're approaching 5. No, we're approaching. Y is getting closer to what seems like 2. So it is approaching 2. Alright. And from the right hand side, gx is approaching what? Gx is approaching also 2. Also 2, approaching 2. Alright, so here it becomes 2. Okay, so what is the limit as x approaches 2 in general? X approaches 5. Gx as x approaches 5, gx is approaching what? Here, the limit, the left hand side limit and the right hand side limit are equal. This means that the limit as x approaches 5 equals 2 here.